What if I told you that you could be making $200 a day using free AI tools with zero investment? No fluff, no scams, just smart strategies that anyone, even a beginner, can use. Starting today. Welcome to Money Mastery Hub, where we turn smart ideas into real income. We're living in the AI gold rush. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Pictory are changing the game. And the ones who learn how to use them now are making serious cash, while others just scroll past. Let's start with ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy in minutes. People are offering this on Fiverr and charging $20 to $50 per gig. You do the math. That's real money fast. Next up, Canva AI. Even if you've never designed a thing in your life, Canva lets you create stunning logos, social media posts, and thumbnails with just a few clicks. And guess what? These designs sell a lot. Now here's my favorite, video creation without even showing your face. With tools like Pictory or InVideo, you take your ChatGPT script, drop it in, and boom! A full YouTube or TikTok video ready to post. People are building entire channels with this method.
Today, we're talking.
Here's the real power move. Use ChatGPT plus Canva plus Pictory and sell full content packages to influencers, coaches, and business owners. You can charge $100, $200, even $500, and the work only takes an hour. You're probably thinking, where do I find clients? Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn. The clients are everywhere. You just need to reach out, because most people never do. This is not some hype. It's a blueprint, and people just like you are already doing it. So if you're ready to make I work for you, start today. Hit that like, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more real money-making strategies right here on Money Mastery Hub. Money Mastery.